Hello everyone. Today we learn how to make a pyramid having a base, a square base. For that we will take a square. We have taken this square as 6 centimeter, right? And after that we will take one triangle, two triangle, three triangle and four triangle, right? And here you see these are equilateral triangle having the side 6 centimeters. Now you see how we are making a square pyramid with a square base, right? For that you put the base here and on fourth side put the triangle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are making a pyramid with a square base. For that we need one square and four equilateral triangle. We have taken the equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter and we have taken this square with side 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this triangle also 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, right? Now we will try to make this pyramid having a base square, right? Now let us find how to make this. We are making this with a tape, but you can use Fevicol also. Now we are making very easily how you see how we are making this one. Now here you see how we are making this pyramid. Here you see how we are making this pyramid with a square base. right? Now you see how you are making this pyramid with a square base. You can use Fevicol also instead of tape. See here how you made this pyramid with a square base, right? This is a very easy process, right? Now we will see the properties of a pyramid with a square base. What are the properties? Now first we will find how many surfaces are there. You see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and base. There are 5 surfaces in a square pyramid, right? How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 vertices in a pyramid with a square base, right? And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 edges in a pyramid with a square base. Now, while making this pyramid, you can also use the colored papers. You see, these are the colored papers and paste it on the surfaces so that it may look very beautiful. But this is the basic, this is the way in which you can make the basic structure of a pyramid with a square base, right? Now you see again how we have made this pyramid with a square base, right? This is the pyramid with a square base. For that what we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles and 1 square, and you can make a pyramid with a square base. You see, it is a very good pyramid with a square base. And we also found the various properties of this pyramid with a square base. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.